first of all, it's a pleasure for GESTAMP to participate in this BOSS consortium with all of you. We think that is an interesting challenge for all of us. We are different kind of companies. We are universities here. Well, it's a really nice mix of that. Well, I'm going to talk shortly about how we see big data in our environment, in the manufacturing sector. So let's start with a brief summary of what is GESTAMP. GESTAMP is a car part manufacturing company, and we are working close to OEMs. We are in we are in 21 countries, and we have more than 100 plants. Here is somehow the layout of where we have the different plants. Well, we have in North America, South America, Europe, West Europe, and also in Asia. Okay. We want to remark also about our research and development centers. We have currently, we have 13 research development centers in USA, in Brazil, in Europe, in China, and in Japan too. And how we find this GESTAMP development, and what are our key success factors to do that? We pay special attention in these different areas. The success factors for us are leadership, technology, globalization, operational excellence, and financial robustness. Here, when we talk about technology, we are talking about industrial technology. We are talking about, as in this consortium, about big data, about systems, about everything that we consider this technology. Globalization, of course, we are, as I said before, in different countries, and always we pay special attention in everything related with the quality and the operational excellence. Okay, here we have somehow the different, the GESTAMP portfolio. We have different main areas as going wide, mechanisms, and chassis. Well, here you can see the different car parts that we are working and doing that. And how we understand the way to achieve it. We try to maximize this function of safety, weight, cost, and performance. These are somehow the different technologies that we have in our plants. One of the main technologies is hot stamping. That is the first one, but here you can see all the other ones called stamping, hydroforming, roll forming, modeling, tooling, etc. Okay, and now going to the specific topic about big data. For GESTAMP, when we are talking about big data, we need to talk about Industry 4.0. And I'm sure that you are familiar with the picture in the left. We don't understand Industry 4.0 as a revolution. We understand as evolution of technology. It means that we need to make this kind of correlation between people, partners, and systems. And here we have some examples about we are doing with this big data approach. Well, I think the oldest project is the one related with energy efficiency. It's around 2 years old, something like that. So the main ones will be, the main areas will be energy efficiency, maintenance, logistic, and quality. For energy efficiency, we are working on reduced consumption and reduce oversized equipment. Maintenance, we are working on reduce corrective maintenance and increase efficiency. And the other ones, logistics and quality, are both optimize internal logistics function and quality, the target of zero defects to customer. How we are working on these projects? Normally, we start as pilot projects, or we work a lot in prototypes we define some business case, and we try to do some prototype on that, and we evaluate if this technology and these partners can do that to go on the next level. And here, regarding this approach of how we use big data, for us, I'm sure that you know this flow of data, information, value. But I want to remark that this is not for us, at least, it's not an easy path to achieve. Here we are added some topics related with, of course, with Industry 4.0, but especially with big data. When we arrive to a plant, it's hard to connect to the system. We don't do that in the first day. We need to spend some time understanding the process, understanding how to connect to specific machine, how to correlate all this information. So, well, here in this cloud, we try to put some of the main topics that we face every day and make our challenge to do that evolution of data to information and finally to get the right value. Well, this is a picture that explains a bit about how we see this big data lake that we are creating. As I said, you arrive to a plant. I say that we have more than 100 plants. You have different machines, but you have also different sources of data. You have pictures. You have information coming directly to the machine by PLCs. Regarding volume, in one of the projects we are collecting around 20 terabytes of data per year. So we are having a big data. Velocity we are collecting in another project, I think it's 10 times per second values from a single PLC. So it's important to take all that into account to give to the users the final value, and to do that, to try to not make your users drown in this big data lake, and to make them the captain of this information to get the right value. And well, how to do that? We do that trying to put the right data to the right people in the right moment. It requires different things. It requires to use different technologies that we have there. We develop mobile applications. We use smart glasses. Also, to put the right people working together. That other pictures means that we have our data scientist people, with the developers, with the industrial experts, and to make them iterate to do the right visualization, the right notifications, because we want to make not only that the user asks to the system, we want also that the system answer to the user. Okay, so we don't expect that the user is all the time checking that. If not, we expect to have like this. And this is more or less my presentation. Okay.